Students, good morning, all of you. So, have you written yesterday examination, students? Fine. Okay. But next one. So first we will discuss yesterday's paper, big paper. Okay, students. Question number. Okay. Question number 136. Students, are you ready with your papers?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, right. Which are the following statement? Question number 136. Which are the following statements is false? Mucosal epithelium has goblet cells which secrete mucus for lubrication. The statement correct or not, students?
Correct, sir.
Yes, mucosal epithelium has goblet cells, secretes mucus. Goblet cell secretes mucus. Correct. Next one. Mucosa forms gastric glands in stomach and crypts in between the bases of villi in small intestine.
Correct, sir.
Gastric glands of the stomach presented in the form of in the region of mucosa. The next one, crypts of lubricant in small intestine. That statement also correct. Statement third, cells lining the villi has brush border of microvilli.
Correct, sir.
The cells consist with villi. Such type of the cells are called microvilli. What purpose microvilli, students?
Absorption. Increase area for
Good. Option 4, check it. All the 4 basic layers in the wall of gut never show modification in different parts of alimentary canal.
false, sir.
Shows the modification or not, students? Yes or no?
Sure, sir.
Show modification in different parts of the element.
Yes. So, according to the region of the gut, there is different types of the modifications are there. So, fourth option is incorrect statement, correct answer. Okay, students. Next question number 137. 137. First one. First do the labeling, students. What is A?
Transverse
Transverse colon. Very good. B is
descending colon.
Descending colon.
yes. What is descending colon? What is C?
Ascending colon.
Descending colon.
Descending colon. Okay. Then match with the answer. A is transverse colon.
Fourth option.
And B is descending colon. C is ascending colon. Option number 4. Next one. Question number 138. Weight of adult human in liver about how much weight,
1
student?
to 1.5 kg.
1.2 to 1.5 kilograms or
First
1200 grams to 1500 grams.
100 grams.
Option number 1.
1.
1200 to 1500 grams. Otherwise, 1.2 to 1.5 kilos. Next one, students. Question number 139. Hepatic lobule given. Hepatic lobule.
Distance capsule.
The hepatic lobule outer membrane. So hexagonal lobule this is. Yes, students. Outer membrane of hexagonal lobule. What is that? This is called
Distance capsule.
Glissen's capsule. Yes, students. Okay. And crypts of Leberkin. Base of villi or outer projections?
Base of villi.
Crypts of Leberkin is located at the base of villi. So what about sphincter of Oddi?
Hepatopancreatic.
Hepatopancreatic duct. The sphincter of Oddi is presented in the region of hepatopancreatic duct. Alright. Next, cystic duct.
Gallbladder.
The duct of gallbladder is called cystic duct. Right, students?
Option 1.
Option number 1 correct. A 2, right? B 1. Next C 4 and D is third. Option number 1 correct. Right, students. Question number 140. Fill in the blanks. The opening of stomach in duodenum is regulated by.
Pyloric sphincter.
The opening of stomach in duodenum is regulated by the pyloric sphincter. Right. Next one. The opening of the common hepatopancreatic duct is guarded by the structure is called. Now only we discuss.
Sphincter of Oddi.
Sphincter of Oddi. So B is sphincter of Oddi. Next C. The structure which prevents backflow of fecal matter is called
Ileocecal wall.
ileocecal wall. Where it is presented, students? Ileocecal wall.
Junction of ileum and cecum.
Junction of ileum and cecum.
Right. A muscular structure that regulates the opening of esophagus into stomach is called
Gastroesophageal sphincter.
gastroesophageal sphincter. Are also called
LES.
Lower
LES.
are also called
Cardiac sphincter.
cardiac sphincter.
Good.
Cardiac sphincter.
Right. So A is a pyloric sphincter. Where A pyloric
Option
sphincter?
2. Option 2.
In option 2 only A pyloric sphincter, then you go for a option 2.
Option 2, sir.
Like this matching type questions given. If one matched, there is no matchings or there are other options, then you will go for that. Don't waste time with this. Okay? Right. Next one. Set of a coiled structure of the following is.
Jejunum and ileum.
Coiled structure is jejunum and ileum. Jejunum and ileum are the parts of
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
small intestine. Right. Next one, student. Why not duodenum and jejunum?
So duodenum is not coiled.
It is not
Duodenum is
coiled.
U-shaped.
So small, short, short tube, muscular C shape. Okay, not coiled. Okay, next one. Question number 142, students. Muscularis is formed by smooth muscles, usually arranged in an inner, yes, students, inner longitudinal or circular. Inner
Circular longitudinal.
Longitudinal.
circular and or longitudinal. Circular and longitudinal. Option
Option 1.
number 1.
Option 1.
Next, students, correct a sequence of layer from outer to inner in intestine of human is. Outermost layer is what, students? Outer to inner ask.
Serosa.
Serosa.
Outer serosa. Next, second.
Muscularis.
Let's third one.
Muscularis.
Submucosa.
Submucosa.
What one?
Mucosa.
Option 3, sir.
Option 3, sir.
Is submucosa and mucosa. Option number. Option 3.
3.
Next, question number 144. Correct arrangement of muscles from outer to inner in muscularis of stomach to inner.
Option 3. Longitudinal.
Option 3, sir. Longitudinal, circular, and oblique.
Very good. In stomach, you need to remember already we discussed it. Stomach
Oblique. sir.
longitudinal and next circular and next oblique will come. This is for what? Outer to inner. So in the question they asked outer to inner or inner to outer, students?
Outer to inner, sir.
Outer to inner. So what is the answer, students?
Option 3.
Option 3, sir.
Longitudinal, circular and oblique. Inner to outer means oblique, circular and longitudinal. So outer to oblique, what will come in stomach?
Longitudinal, circular, oblique.
Longitudinal, circular, and oblique.
What will come in stomach? Outer to oblique.
Circular.
I did not understand the question.
Did not understand the question. Outer to oblique, what will come in the stomach?
Serosa, muscularis, and oblique.
Yes, students?
Serosa,
Outer to
muscularis,
oblique,
and
what
oblique.
will come?
So serosa, muscularis, and oblique.
Serosa muscularis and
Outer to oblique,
Submucosa and mucosa.
inner to oblique, what will come?
Serosa longitudinal and circular.
Muscularis.
Inner to oblique means what is the next layer of the oblique?
Mucosa, submucosa.
Mucosa. Lumen.
Immediate layer is submucosa. Inner to oblique means submucosa. Okay, students. Outer to oblique means circular. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
sequence you remember. Yes. Okay. Next question number 145. Duodenal layer with glands.
Submucosal. Option 1.
Mucosa.
Submucosa.
Mucosa.
Glands, students. Yes, students. What is the name of the gland? Brunner's glands. Remember? Forgot.
Sir, maintain alkalinity.
Yes. So duodenum, submucosal part has the Brunner's glands. Clear, students? That is the most important. In the brackets, write down Brunner's glands. Function of Brunner's glands, students? Yes, Abhay, you told.
Secretion of mucus and maintaining alkalinity.
In where alkalinity? In duodenum?
In duodenum, yes, sir.
Or
Yes, sir.
stomach? Duodenum. Right.
Duodenum.
Next one. Question number 146. Crypts of lubricant are formed by.
Mucosa of intestine.
Crypts of lubricant is presented in intestine or stomach, students?
Intestine.
Intestine. That is which layer? Mucosa or submucosa?
Mucosa.
Mucosa.
Because of the intestine. Right, students? Okay. So what is the function of crypts of lubricant?
Secretion
Secretes.
of succus and mucus.
Secretion of digestive enzymes.
Secretes digestive.
Mucus and mucous intestinal juice. It has different types of the digestive enzymes. Right. Next one, question number 147. Identify A, B, C, D in digestion of carbohydrates. So what is A, students? Starch is hydrolyzed by which enzyme?
Amylase.
Amylase.
Amylase. A for amylase. Okay. Next. And starch hydrolyzed by in the presence of amylase and formed as 3 different types of disaccharides. So what are our disaccharides, students? Lactose,
Maltose.
sucrose. So disaccharides are converted into monosaccharides. Okay, students. In the presence of which enzymes? Disaccharides are converted into monosaccharides in the presence of which enzymes?
Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase.
No.
Sir, intestinal amylase.
What you people are? I forgot everything. Disaccharides are converted into monosaccharides by which enzyme, students?
Sir,
Pancreatic amylase.
disaccharidases.
Disaccharidases. The enzyme names are disaccharidases. Here
Maltase, sucrase.
those enzymes I'm asking. What are the enzymes? Disaccharidases. Lactose disaccharidase. What? Lactose enzyme is.
Lactase.
Lactase.
Maltose enzyme is.
Maltase.
Maltase.
Yes, B for lactase, C for maltase. Sucrose enzyme is.
Sucrase.
Sucrase.
Sucrase. What is the answer, student? A amylase, B maltase, B lactase, and the next one C maltase and D sucrase.
Invert.
Yes, students. Option.
Option 3.
Option 2. Amylase, lactase, maltase, and invertase. Sucrase are also called invertase. Option number 2. Clear, students? Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
part you need to be remember. Polysaccharides are converted into disaccharides by the amylase, and disaccharides are converted into monosaccharides by the presence of disaccaridases. What are list of disaccharidases? Means these are all will come. What will come? Maltase, sucrase, lactase, all will come. Clear, students, until this?
Sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 148. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First statement given. Absorption of simple sugar, alcohol, some water and medicines takes place in stomach. This takes place or not, students? Absorption?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Yes, in the region of stomach. Maximum water occurs in the intestine given. Correct or not, students?
Water absorption. Yes, sir.
Maximum water absorption takes place in the intestine or stomach or buccal cavity. Where? In intestine. In intestine, which intestine?
Large intestine.
Large
Intestine. Okay, the statement is also correct. Next one. Small intestine is the major site for and absorption, digestion and absorption of the food. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct,
sir.
sir.
Small intestine is the major site for digestion of absorption of the food. Yes. Next one. Fatty acid and glycerol are absorbed by lacteals given. Correct or not, students?
Correct, sir.
Fatty acid and glycerol are absorbed by the lacteals, and remaining all are enters into the region of blood. Yes. Next one. Certain drugs and minerals and water absorbed in mouth and large intestine given. That is also correct or not, students? Certain drugs and minerals, certain drugs, mineral and water are absorbed in mouth and large intestine given. Correct or not?
Not correct, sir.
Not correct, sir.
Why, students?
So water is not absorbed in our mouth.
Yes, sir.
Water absorption is not takes place in the region of the mouth. So which statement is wrong, students?
Fifth one.
Fifth statement. Sir, but in P they have given fourth statement.
So no option is there.
Sir, in the they have given four options.
Answer K they have given wrong answers.
What given?
Sir, option 4 they have given.
There is fourth option, sir.
Option 4 given. Maximum water absorption occurs in intestine. That is correct only. Next to third one, small intestine is the major site of digestion and absorption of food. That is also correct. Okay. Okay, we'll change the key. No issue. Right, students? Okay. Next one, question number. Question number
149.
149. Okay. Match the following. Jaundice. In the jaundice, what happens, students?
Skin and eye turn yellow.
Turns yellow.
Into yellow. Right. Next one, vomiting.
Ejection of stomach.
Rejection of stomach contents through
Stomach contents through the mouth. Vomiting. Right. Diarrhea.
Option D.
Abnormal
Abnormal
frequency of bowel movement and decrease in liquidity. Yes, students. Our fecal discharges increases. Right. Next one, constipation. Yes, students.
B, sir. Feces retained within rectum.
Because are retained within rectum, irregular bowel movement. Okay. Right. Next one, indigestion. Feeling of.
E. Feeling of fullness.
Option number
2, sir.
1C, 2A, and 3B, 4B, and 5B. Correct or not? Yes.
Yes, sir. Option.
Right. Next one, question number 150. Material that is transported by both passive and active transportees.
Glucose.
Glucose.
When we get good, Davai. We already discussed it, both active and passive transport. So glucose will come in active also and passive also. So that is glucose. The next one. So what is the difference between active and passive, students?
Active requires
The active
Energy.
requires energy, sir.
Passive means no energy. Active means energy.
Passive not require energy. Whenever active requires energy.
Required energy.
Next one. So diffusion will come in passive or active.
Passive.
Passive.
Passive, sir.
Okay, fine. Right. Next one. Question number 151. Protein and calorie deficiency results into
Marasmus.
protein and
Marasmus.
calorie deficiency, marasmus.
Marasmus.
Only protein deficiency.
Kwashiorkor.
Vashyakar.
Option. Kwashiorkor. Okay. Option number 1. Protein and calorie deficiency, marasmus. Okay. Next one. Question number 152. Digestion of proteins begins in the and digestion of polysaccharide begins in the. Digestion of proteins begins in the
Sir,
Stomach.
Stomach.
Carbohydrates begins in polysaccharides.
Mouth.
Mouth.
That is the
Option
correct
3.
answer. That is stomach and mouth. Option number 3.
3.
Next one. Deglutition means entry of food. Where to
From
where?
pharynx to
From pharynx to esophagus.
Stomach to duodenum, and anus to exterior, and pharynx to esophagus given. What is
pharynx
the
to esophagus.
pharynx to esophagus? Actually, buccal cavity to oral cavity
Esophagus.
to yes. So there is oral cavity or buccal cavity to esophagus through pharynx. Are you understanding or not? So this process is called deglutition. Clear, students, until this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next one. Question number 154. Set of enzymes that works in low pH is
Salivary
Low pH
amylase and no sir. Pepsin and renin. Option 3.
Okay. Pepsin and trypsin. Why it is not correct, students? Pepsin and trypsin.
Pepsin acts in acidic medium. Trypsin acts in basic medium.
Very good. Salivary amylase and trypsin.
Sir, salivary amylase acidic. Trypsin is basic.
Salivary amylase acidic.
Sir, 6.8 sir.
Acid.
Near to neutral.
Right. Acidic and trypsin.
7.8 basic.
Basic. Next. Pepsin and renin, students.
1.8 both acidic.
0.8 in where? Which region?
Stomach.
Stomach.
Right. So pepsin and amylase given. So which amylase not mentioned? Yes. So set of enzymes that works in low pH in the stomach region, that is pepsin and renin only. 1.8 pH acidity is maintained in the region of stomach. Okay. Next question number 155. Match the following.
Fourth option sir.
Which one is correct? Choose. Which one is correct? Matching you need to choose. Yes.
A4.
Renin fats emulsification given. Correct? Yes, students.
No sir. Renin curdling of milk.
Curdling of milk. Yes. Next one. Bile salts.
Fats emulsification.
Emulsification.
Emulsification of the fats or takes place by the bile salts. Next one, students. Brunner's glands.
Mucus secretion.
Brunner's glands function is secretion of
Secretion.
mucus. Next one. Oxyntic cells.
Hydrochloric acid.
Secretes hydrochloric acid, HCl. Right.
Fourth option.
Option
4.
Option 4. Option number 4. 4, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
Option
Next one. Question number 156. Pharynx opens through the A of the larynx region and then into the B. Choose the correct option for A and B. Pharynx opens through the A of the larynx region. Larynx first part is called
Glottis.
glottis. Yes. And next one, what given? Region. Then into the head.
trachea.
Trachis.
To trachea. Clear, students? So here what happens?
Yes sir. Option 4.
Larynx, the pharynx is the common junction for both food and air, right? So pharynx opens connect with the region of the esophagus for food, and pharynx connect with the larynx for the purpose of respiration, air. Pharynx, larynx, trachea. In respiratory system, again we will discuss. Okay, students. So the first part of larynx is called glottis, and glottis further opens into the region of trachea. So whenever glottis and trachea means related to respiration or digestion, students?
Respiration.
Respiration. Yeah. So option number 4. Next one, students. Question number 157. Which cells of gastric mucosa secretes pepsinogen? Pepsinogen is secreted by
Chief cells.
Cells or
Chief cell.
are also called.
Peptic cells.
peptic cells.
Peptic cell.
Right. Peptic cells. Okay. Next question number 158. Esophagus opens into
Cardiac stomach.
cardiac stomach, caudate stomach, thyroid stomach, and pharynx. Yes,
Cardiac
students?
stomach, sir.
Cardiac stomach.
Where the esophagus is open, that region is called cardiac stomach. Clear? And next one, question number 159. In which layer of stomach is gastric glands located?
Mucosa.
Mucosa and muscularis.
Mucosa, sir.
Mucosa or submucosa?
Mucosa, sir.
Sir, mucosa, sir.
The layer of mucosa. So gastric glands has which cells, students? What are the cells are present in gastric glands?
Mucus cells, chief cells, and parietal cells.
Vital cells are oxyntic cells.
Very good. Mucus neck cells. Chief cells are peptic cells. Next one. Parietal cells
Parietal
are.
oxyntic cells.
Okay.
Next one. Question number 160. Hepatocytes secretes
Bile without enzymes.
which enzyme is present in the bile, students?
Bile
enzymes.
without enzymes. No enzymes are present, sir, in bile.
No enzymes are present in bile. Right. So bile without enzymes. Bile without enzymes. So what are hepatocytes?
Cells of liver.
Liver cells. Liver
Cells
cells.
of hepatic lobules.
Liver cells are called hepatocytes. Okay, students. Right. Next one. Question number 161. An adolescent human below 17 years age normally has a dental formula.
2122 by 2122.
2122 by 2122.
Adolescence means at the age of 17, 2122 by 2122. Which teeth is absent?
Wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth.
Wisdom teeth.
Wisdom teeth. Molar.
Third molar.
Third molar. Very good. So
Third
there is
molar.
no third molar. Third molar is absent. Third molar absent. There is no wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth is absent. Wisdom teeth is not absent. Wisdom teeth not grows. After that it will grow. Okay, students. Next one. So what is the milk dental formula? Milk teeth dental formula.
2102 by 2102.
Right. So what are the dental formula of adult?
2123 by 2123.
Right. Next one, question number 162. Stomach, duodenum, vermiform appendix, and pancreas.
Third option, sir.
Stomach, the shape of the stomach, students.
J-shaped organ.
T-shaped organ.
J-shaped organ, the J-shaped bag.
Duodenum.
U-shaped.
T-shaped, sir. You are given U-shaped, sir.
See here. In old NCERT, U is there. You can see from this side, it is looking like U. Otherwise, it is C shape. Right, students? Okay. Vermiform appendix.
One
Vestigial organ.
What is the location of vermiform appendix, students?
Cecum.
Cecum.
Below the
Cecum.
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 Below the cecum.
Pancreas.
Heterocrine organ.
Heterocrine organ. Or gland.
Both
It-
endocrine.
Both endocrine and exocrine.
Both
functions.
endocrine and exocrine gland.
Both the pancreas has both endo and exocrine glands. Exocrine gland secretes
Pancreatic juice.
Pancreatic juice.
so digestive enzymes of the pancreas secreted from exocrine or endocrine?
Exocrine.
Exocrine glands.
Exocrine. Good. What are the hormones secreted from the pancreas, students?
Glucagon and insulin.
Glucagon and insulin.
Insulin. Somatostatin.
Good. Okay. Question number 163. Do the labeling. What is A? A.
Common bile duct.
Common bile.
Common bile.
Common bile duct. B.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
C. C.
Hepatopancreatic.
Hepatopancreatic duct.
But pancreatic duct.
What about D?
Cystic duct.
Cystic
Cystic
duct.
duct.
Duct. So D is
Fourth
cystic duct.
option, sir.
In option number 4, D cystic duct given. In this type of questions, match only one, remaining everything it will match. Okay, no need to worry. Match only one. Okay, so don't waste time in this type of the questions. If one match means everything match. If two matches are there, then you need to check everything. Understanding or not? Okay, two matching are there, you need to check everything. Next one, question number 164, students. Question number 164. Pancreas has, now we discussed, yes, students. Pancreas
Both exo and endocrine.
Both exocrine and endocrine.
Endocrine.
Pancreas is called.
Heterocrine.
Endocrine.
Another name. Another
Composite
name.
gland.
Very good. Another also called mixed gland. Very
Mixed
good.
gland.
Right. Next question number 165. The primary definition in human differs from permanent dentition is not having one of the following type of the teeth.
Premolars.
Premolars.
Incisors, canines. The primary definition in human differs from the permanent dentition is not having in milk teeth. What are not there?
Premolars.
Premolars.
Premolars are not there.
Option
1.
1.
Sir, premolar and one molar, no, sir.
What, students?
Sir, premolar and one molar, no, sir.
One molar. Premolars are not there. One molar. That is wisdom teeth. Okay, students.
Sir, can we put molar also, no, sir?
An answer I were asking. Both answers
Nice.
you are. Okay, wait. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition is not having one of the following type. Some molars are presented or not?
Yes,
Two
sir.
molars are presented
Yes.
or not? Here what given? Not having. Not having means completely. In
Yes,
case
sir.
third molar, then both also correct. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Number 1 is wrong. Right. Next one. Question number 166. Anxiety and eating spicy food together in an otherwise normal human may lead to
Indigestion.
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 leads to formation of indigestion.
That.
Right. Next one. Emulsification of fat is carried out by
Bile salt.
Bile salts.
pancreatic juice.
Bile
Bile
salts.
salt.
Emulsification takes place by the bile. In the bile, which component? Bile salts.
Salt.
What is the name of bile salt, students? Bile salt's name. Name of the bile salts.
Bilirubin.
Bilirubin and
Wrong.
no, sir, that is bile pigment.
Sir,
Bilirubin.
sodium trichloride and sodium glycorate.
Sodium tartrate and sodium
Tartrate.
Sodium tartrate and sodium glycolate. These are the bile salts. Okay. Next one. Question number 168. Stool of a person is whitish gray color due to the malfunction of which of the following organ?
Bile
Whitish
pigment.
gray color. The fecal material is gray color.
Liver.
Liver.
Option 4, liver.
Function of liver. What is the reason? In which disease it is?
Jaundice.
Jaundice.
That is very good. What is the reason, students? Because of
Because a bile pigment is secreted more.
Secretion of
Excess
bile
production
pigment.
of bilirubin.
bilirubin, bile pigments, right? So bile pigments only provides color to the fecus material, right, students? Instead of adding to the fecus material, it is add to blood. Next one, question number 169. Most of the fat digestion is occurs in rectum, stomach, duodenum, and small intestine.
Duodenum.
Small intestine. Small intestine.
Fat digestion occurs in. Actually, what happens, sir? As per NCERT, all the major process of digestion is takes place in the region of duodenum only given, right, students? But we need to take as per NCERT only. Actually, where happens fat digestion? Fat digestion, first protein and carbohydrate digestion takes place in the region of duodenum.
Duodenum.
Fat digestion occurs further parts. Understood or not? So that is in the duodenum and ileum. But as per NCERT only we should take. Okay, students. Most of the fat digestion occurs in the region of
Duodenum.
Next
Then
step.
small intestine is wrong, sir.
That all I am telling you. Actually, here what happens? As per NCERT only, lines only you should take. So fat digestion, carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion. 3 also takes place. Major digestion in duodenum given. So that only you should take as per NCERT. Are you understanding or not?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next one. Question number 170. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play and passes through the dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth only. Which teeth were absent?
Premolars.
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 Which dentition? Milk teeth, adolescents or adult students?
Milk teeth.
2102 2102.
2102.
What are absent students?
Premolars.
Molars.
Premolars.
Okay, right. Next one, question number 171. Symbiotic microbes are in the following part of the digestive tract: colon, cecum, rectum.
Cecum. Option 2, cecum.
Symbiotic bacteria are presented. Some of the symbiotic microbes are presented in the region of cecum of the large intestine. Cecum portion of the large intestine. Students, example. Symbiotic bacteria. Example.
Threadworm, tapeworm.
E. coli.
Tapeworm.
E. coli.
E. coli.
It's telling tapeworm, threadworm. Those are all parasites. It's not symbiotic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Symbiotic means which helps in providing some of the function, means it is useful to the humans. That is most important.
Sir, how is E. coli useful, sir?
Symbiotic bacteria is presented in the cecum region, which are helpful for digestion, means absorption of vitamins, absorption of vitamin B.
So are they present from our birth, sir?
As
Are they present from our birth or gained after birth, sir?
symbiotic bacteria, it enters directly, not presented at the time of the birth, after the birth only.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, vitamin B12 is absorbed in which region, sir?
Some of the maximum B vitamins are absorbed in the region of large intestine. Large intestine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next one. Question number 172.
172, sir.
Milk dentition.
130.
What is the milk dentition, students? Yes.
2102 by 2102.
2102 by
210 by 2102.
210. Right.
Option 3.
Option number 3. Okay. Milk dentition up to which age?
6 to 7 years.
78.
7 years.
After maximum age, after that it will be replaced by permanent teeth. Which teeth are called deciduous teeth?
Milk teeth.
Milk teeth.
Milk teeth.
Okay. Next one, question number 173. Crown of teeth is covered by
Enamel. Enamel.
Enamel.
It is covered by the enamel layer. Right. Next one. The teeth is made up of with
Calcium.
Enamel dent. Both.
is made up of
Calcium.
Enamel and dentine.
the teeth is made up of with dentine material. Dentine. And crown only covered by the enamel. Okay.
Enamel.
All the material presented in the teeth, that is dentine. And which part of the teeth has blood vessels?
Pulp cavity.
Pulp cavity.
Pulp cavity.
Good. Next question number 174. Assertion and reasoning. Assertion: at the time of swallowing, food will not enter into glottis. Yes, students? Is it correct, the statement?
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
At the time of swallowing, food will not enter into glottis. We already discussed it. Glottis is the part of larynx, first part of larynx. So food not enters into respiratory tract. Okay, that is correct. Next, reason, a cartilaginous flap, epiglottis cover the glottis at that time. We already discussed it. A cartilaginous flap is presented. What is the reason why not entered? The reason is
Presence of
Presence of
epiglottis.
Presence of epiglottis.
glottis. So glottis covered by the epiglottis. So both are also correct, students. Both statement correct or not?
Yes,
correct,
sir.
Option
Yes, sir.
1.
Reason is
Option one.
supports to the first one. Assertion.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Option number
1.
One.
Option number 1. Actually, from last 2-3 years onwards, in NEET examination, this type of the questions they are asking in the statement forms, not in assertion and reasoning. Same, but name only changes. Statement 1, statement 2. Okay, students. Right. Next one. Question number 175. Reverse flow of food in the stomach is prevented by
Cardiac sphincter.
Cardiac sphincter.
Cardiac
sphincter.
sphincter.
Cardiac sphincter.
wrong. Read the question properly.
Pyloric sphincter.
Cardiac
The pyloric
sphincter.
sphincter, sir.
Cardiac sphincter.
Cardiac sphincter.
So here what happens? So esophagus opens into the stomach. What is there here? This is cardiac sphincter. And here which sphincter is there, students?
Pyloric.
Pyloric.
What is the function of cardiac sphincter? Tell me.
Prevents the
Allows
backflow of
from
food
esophagus to
from
stomach.
Prevents the backflow from stomach to
Esophagus.
from stomach to.
esophagus.
What is the function of pyloric?
Prevents the backflow from duodenum.
Duodenum to stomach, right? Duodenum into the stomach. Duodenum into the stomach. Okay. Now question what given, student? What is the question? Read the question carefully. Reverse flow of food in the stomach. In the stomach means what?
Cardiac
So
sphincter.
they have not given. So they have not given into the stomach. They have given in the stomach.
In the stomach means from where? Where to where?
From stomach to
So
esophagus.
from stomach to cardiac esophagus, sir. Cardiac sphincter. only.
From duodenum to stomach. Are you understanding or not? In case from given, then stomach to esophagus, that is cardiac sphincter. Right? The question what given, students? Reverse flow of food in the stomach is prevented by. In the stomach means from duodenum to stomach. That is pyloric sphincter. In case from the stomach given, what is the answer? Cardiac sphincter. So that only pyloric sphincter is the answer. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Question number 176. Do the labeling, students. What is A? A.
Molars.
Molars.
A. B.
Premolars.
C.
Canine.
Canine.
D.
Incisor.
Incisor.
Incisors and the socket of jaw given. Socket of jaw name. Sockets names. Alveolar. Alveolar.
Alveolar.
Alveolar.
Then match with the option, students.
Fourth option, sir.
Option 4, sir.
Option
Fourth
four,
option.
A molars, B premolars, C canines, and D are incisors. Yes. So cutting and chilling and for grinding. In this, what teeth are helpful for cutting of the food? Cutting of
Incisor.
the food, incisors. And for the chilling of the food, that is
Molars and premolars.
canines. Chilling of the food,
Canines.
Canine.
and grinding of the food,
Premolars and molars.
Molars and premolars.
okay, right. Next question number 177. Major function of the human large intestine is, what is the major function?
Absorption of water.
Major function is always absorption of water. Remaining different types of the functions also there, but major is absorption of water. Question number 178, students. Part of the stomach that receives esophagus is
Cardiac portion.
Cardiac portion.
already we discussed. Cardiac portion. Cardiac sphincter, cardiac portion. Next. The opening of ileum into large intestine base.
Ileocecal valve.
Ileocecal valve.
Next question number 180. Assertion and reason. Assertion: human dentition is of diphodon type. Correct or not, students?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Correct, sir.
Right. Next reason: accepting wisdom teeth, remaining teeth in adult are replaced by milk teeth. Correct or not?
Correct,
Wrong,
sir.
2 times teeth will go. Except wisdom teeth, remaining teeth will adult are replaced by milk teeth. Correct or that statement? Correct or not, students?
Wrong.
No, sir.
Wrong, sir.
Will grow later.
Wrong, sir.
Premolars will grow only
In adults.
In adults, sir.
in adults only one time. It is not comes under in the diphodon. Okay,
Yes,
students? Assertion is correct and reason is
Reason is
Wrong.
false.
Option 3, sir.
Three. Three.
Option number 3.
correct option. Okay, students, right? Good. So, how many students got out in this zoology? Nobody. Okay, one question wrong. Tanisha, one question wrong. Which question, Tanisha?
So cardiac sphincter and pyloric sphincter. So that way, right?
Okay. Next, Murali Swami, one wrong. Good, good. Right, next one. 2 questions wrong, students. Menu HM, 2 questions wrong. Which menu? Yesterday was to that one.
Cardiac sphincter and the most of the digestion occurs in small intestine. That I have written, sir.
That 2. Okay, right, fine, good. And 2 questions wrong, so only 1 person. Okay, 3 questions wrong. Brahmara 3. Which questions, Brahmara?
So that most of the digestion and then cardiac and so the last
Okay.
one is
Next one.
so 152 question number that one.
What is 152 question? Question number 152. Why that one mistake, Brahmara? Easy question only, done mistake.
Yes, sir.
Next step.
So that's all.
Okay, Vinay BK, 3 wrongs. Which questions, Vinay? Yes, Vinay, which questions wrong? Are you identify or not? Vinay BK is there? Not there. Question number 180. Okay, right? And along with that, okay, students, we already discussed it in earlier also. So many times I had informed. Whatever the questions you are doing mistakes in the weekend examinations, with explanation, you need to write separately. That is error books. You need to maintain error books. Once again, refer in NCERT textbook. The same lines should be written in error books. So question explanation means what? Question and only answer. No use. You need to explain why it is wrong. Okay, students. So practice of error books is the most important. After commencement of the colleges, compulsory, definitely I will check all the error books. If anybody not written, complete. From starting onwards, how many exams are there? Completely. You must complete that all the mistakes of yours. Okay, students, right? So next class, we'll start the next chapter number 17, respiration and breathing. Okay? Until this clear, any doubt still?
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Clear, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.